My question is, Huzoor, I was opportune to go to Umrah last year, and I have this experience that I want to share with you. During Salat prayer, due to the crowd, is very difficult for an Ahmadi to isolate himself and pray separately due to the crowd, and also for our safety not to get people's attention. Huzoor, what would you advise us on that?
You see, if you are standing at a place where there is no chance to leave that area, then sometime it so happens that you will have to pray behind the Imam who is leading the prayer there. But Muslim anhu, when he went for Hajj, he also experienced the same thing. And he wanted to leave the place, but he could not make it. So one of his friend, an Ahmadi, who was also along with him, said that Khalifatul Masih Awwal once said that in this situation, we can pray behind the Imam. Muslim said that although I was not very much satisfied, but because he quoted Khalifatul Masih Awwal, and at the time Khalifatul Masih Awwal was the Khalifa of the time, so I had to obey, and then I just prayed. And even then my heart was not very much satisfied, so I came back home, wherever I was living, the room, and then I prayed again. When we came back to Qadian, and I asked this question from Khalifatul Masih Awwal, Khalifatul Masih Awwal said that in such a situation, you think that there is no way out, and people's eyes are on you, and if you are afraid of the people, then you may pray behind them, and you did a good thing that you prayed after that on your own. So that should be our reaction. But there are quite a number of Ahmadis who go there as groups, and there are quite a number of groups there. I have never been there, but people told me that there are quite a number of groups, and they have been offering their prayers separately, different sects and different school of thought people, right? So in this way, Ahmadis also pray sometimes separately. They try to manage the situation in such a way that they reach the place at a different time, and then they will offer their own prayer there. But if you are alone, then that was the situation of the Khalifatul Masih Sani, was Mirza Bashiruddin, who experienced, and I have told you. Okay?